Hi, I'm Adam. Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency for your business? Imagine a world where you can accept payments, invest, and manage your crypto reserves with ease. That's where the Coinbase business account comes in. And with Coinbase, the trusted name in crypto offers a tailored solution for businesses of all sizes with its advanced trading options, robust security features, and access to Coinbase suite products. It's like having a financial superpower at your fingertips. To get started, it's as simple as signing up on Coinbase.com and selecting the business account option. Follow the step-by-step guide to create your organization and provide the necessary documents. Once your account is approved, you'll have access to a range of benefits, including Coinbase offers products like Commerce Prime Exchange and International Exchange, each designed to meet specific business needs, security features, two-factor authentication, encrypted wallets, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Open a Coinbase business account today and unlock the potential of cryptocurrency for your business. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.